to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Sunday. So if y'all have been watching the show for a while, you know Tuesdays I do a tip for Tuesday, Thursday is Thirsty Thursday, and then just recently I added Fab 5 Friday, which is fabulous recipes with only 5 ingredients. So I've been thinking, what can I do with the other days of the week? And I decided Sunday's going to be for slow cookers, and today we're going to be making a pizza. So a pizza in our crock pot, or in my case, I'm going to do it in my Rockcrok. But before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you are in the right spot, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so this is basically a slow cooker base. So this is my Rockcrok. You guys have seen me probably use this a few times. I love it because it goes in the oven. It goes on the stove top, under the broiler, in the microwave, on the grill. It is a one-pot wonder. But you can also buy a base that will turn into a slow cooker. So you can just use any crock pot that you have, but this is the one I'm going to be using today. And then I just got some, I don't know how you say that, Weewalka classic pizza crust. So of course you can make your own. You can get the Pillsbury, whatever kind you like. And we are just going to, let's get this out of the way. I probably should have set this out maybe. It's still pretty cold from being in the refrigerator. But it'll be okay. We're just rolling it out. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And place it down in my base. So I'm just pressing it all into the sides. We want it to cover the bottom and then, maybe an inch or so up the sides. And you know what I'm going to grab to make this job just a little bit easier? I'm going to grab my baker's roller here. And the nice thing about this little tool is you can get down in the corners of the pan with it. So like the regular rolling pan, you wouldn't be able to do this. It's funny though, I got this and I thought, what do I need the big one for? And I tossed it away. And yeah, you kind of need both of them. All right, that looks good. So y'all can go ahead and make a regular pizza, but you know, I love using like leftovers from yesterday and finding something new to make with them. So we had a bunch of stuff left over from breakfast. I had some gravy. I've got some scrambled eggs and sausage here. And then I was cleaning out the freezer downstairs and I found some cheese I froze. So I do freeze cheese. I think it freezes pretty well. However, when you unfreeze it, these were slices. So to unfreeze it, I would need to let this sit for about 2 or 3 weeks. Otherwise, it's just going to crumble. Well, I accidentally stored it like this, so it's already crumbled when it thawed out. So I thought we'll just finish using this in our pizza since it's already crumbly. All right, so I'm just going to take a little bit of sausage gravy. And I probably don't even need the sausage there because I already got quite a bit of sausage in my gravy here. And I'm just going to kind of spread it around. And this is going to be like our pizza sauce. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some crumbled cheese on here. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add some scrambled eggs. I'm going to use my hands to do this. So I can just sprinkle it around. And a few more pieces of sausage. So hopefully this is going to turn out like a deep dish pizza. That's my hopes. I've never made a pizza in a slow cooker before. That's just about it, I think. All right. I'm going to add a little more cheese on top. Use my other hand to get it out of here. All right, I think that's good. So I've got my slow cooker base here. I'm just going to put this on low. Put the lid on. And then we're just going to let it cook on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Pizza's done. Look at that. I'm pretty impressed. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Because, let's see here. There we go. I'm going to try to put this on here. See if we can get it out of here so we can see what it actually looks like. I don't know how possible this is going to be. I'm sure it's possible. I don't know what kind of job I'm going to do at it, though. Oh, I think we got it. Come on. There we go. Wow. Pretty impressive. Look at that. Smells good. But you know what? I think I'm going to save this because everyone had this for breakfast yesterday. So I think I'm going to freeze it, and then this will save me from making something next week. So you can always do that with your pizzas. Anytime you're making pizza, just make up a couple extra, freeze them, and then you'll have them at a later date. But I do think if you're making like a regular pizza with pepperoni or sausage or whatever you're going to make for dinner, I think this is a great way to cook it in the slow cooker. And I'm betting you can even put your crust in there and let it cook really, on a low temperature for a few hours, and you could always add your toppings later also. But I think it turned out perfect. Looks really good to me. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Give that a try. Let me know what is your favorite thing to cook in a slow cooker. And I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.